Fall outfit formulas or uniforms can be a lifesaver on days when you're looking to quickly pick out something to wear to start your day. This past summer, I made a summer outfit formula video, which you guys seem to really enjoy. So I figured I would do you guys a solid and make a fall outfit formula video so you guys can feel prepared and have some inspiration for the cooler months ahead. The first outfit is going to be the one I am currently wearing, which I feel like is going to be your easiest options to pull. That is going to make you feel put together but also comfortable and confident. The base of this outfit, I am quite certain that everyone will have in their wardrobe. It's just a light colored t-shirt and some light wash jeans, which I'm very certain you guys already have. I went ahead and I layered it with an oversized navy blazer along with my black mules from Coach. Adding the blazer and the mules really pull the outfit together. It really changes the outfit from being super casual with the t-shirt and jeans to make the outfit look a little bit more elevated. Definitely something that you can wear to the bank, a quick lunch meeting. What I like about layering in the fall, because the weather tends to be so temperamental, there are cooler mornings, warmer afternoon, and then it may drop and get cooler in the evening. Whenever you're feeling warm throughout the day, you can take off your blazer depending on how you're feeling. Perfect look for an everyday girl. Easy, relatable, definitely achievable. Moving right along into our second ensemble. This I'd probably say is my favorite, or something that I would typically wear every day. This I'd say is my favorite combination. I just love this tweed zip top cardigan that I picked up from Ross last year. I have no idea how I'd be able to find this to link it for you, but if I happen to come across something similar, check the description bar to see what I was able to find. Overall, this is my vibe. I'm not gonna lie. Really great fitting trousers and a sweater, my mules. Typically with an outfit like this, I'd probably go for a black bag because I like to match my accessories. That's just the type of girl that I am. But overall, 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. I just love this outfit. It's very easy, it's comfortable, I can run around, it's very versatile. I can literally do anything with this. You can easily wear something like this to the office, and if you were to just change these mules into a pair of neutral colored heels, you can also wear this out to dinner. Very, very versatile, very, very easy to achieve. Of course, I will give you a well-rounded video and provide you guys with some casual options. I know there's a few ladies that have not yet found their perfect trousers or their perfect jeans. So I wanted to offer something a little bit more attainable because I truly believe everyone should have at least one pair of black leggings in their wardrobe. This one is super thick, really great quality. This one I picked up from Target earlier this year. I don't typically wear leggings throughout the summer, but during the fall, winter, I tend to gravitate towards leggings because I feel like a simple, sleek, well-fitting leggings with an oversized sweater and a loafer is just so cute. I paired it with my brown quilted crossbody just to make the outfit feel a little bit more relaxed and casual, but with the loafers, it's definitely going to pull the outfit together. Like, you want to be casual, but you want to be elevated casual, and I feel like this is a really easy, achievable way to get that look. This sweater could possibly be the most comfortable, soft, just coziest sweater that I have in my fall wardrobe. This is from Calvin Klein, and I love the CK detail all over it. It's like a little bit of monogram and logo without being overt or too much. It's just that really nice touch. This one I picked up from Ross as well the last time we were in Florida. Very, very happy that I got it because I've been wearing it non-stop. It made it to my fall rotation of 2023, and of course it's going to be on my 2024 fall rotation as well. Another super easy, casual, laid back, understated outfit that does not leave you looking frumpy. I am obsessed with these sweaters. I have them in 3 different colors: the nude, the navy, and the black, and there are so many other options. There's also a burgundy and a tealish type of green, which is so pretty. Obsessed. This is probably the third year that I've pulled them to the rotation, and they've definitely served me well. I'll of course link them in the description, paired with the leggings that are also from Amazon. I know it looks like a set, right? That was actually the idea when shopping these leggings. They came in a pack of 4, I believe. The nude, the black, the navy, and the gray. The navy I wear with my navy sweater, and the black I wear with the black sweater, just to give that set look, that easy, effortless option that you can always run to when you're looking for a cozy, laid-back, casual outfit. Another super comfy but also trending item in this outfit is these super cute clogs. I absolutely love them. They are now my most worn shoes for this season. I absolutely love them. I like how they look. I know they're kind of ugly, but they're kind of cute ugly. Let me know in the comments if you like the clog trend, if you intend on getting a clog, because personally, I just love how this looks with this outfit. I decided to go for a more structured bag because the outfit is so comfortable. It's so dressed down. I feel like by adding a structured bag, it kind of almost elevates the look. Let me know in the comments if you agree with that mind frame. Even if you're dressing a little laid back or super comfortable or casual, I think that's the time for you to pull out a more dressy or structured accessory so you don't find yourself looking too frumpy. This is definitely one of my favorite options to pull whenever I'm looking for a very casual, laid-back outfit, and all these pieces or similar items is possibly in your wardrobe as well. And of course, I would not leave without giving you some nighttime appropriate options. This can be worn to date night, dinner out with the girls, or just dinner in general. All the festive parties coming up, this is going to be a really easy, fun, nighttime appropriate option. Of course, you can wear whatever you want whenever you want. Now, this top is from H&M. I've had it for several years now, and it's made it to the rotation every year since I've gotten it. This satin skirt is a maxi satin skirt that I got from Amazon. It was also a part of my summer outfit checklist as well as my summer outfit formulas. When we talk about a really great transitional piece, it's definitely going to be a satin skirt, but more importantly, a maxi satin skirt. I am obsessed with this skirt. I've definitely gotten my money's worth, and this was not even $40. I absolutely love this outfit. I love how I feel in it. I love these boots that I paired with this outfit. These are also from Amazon. I've been trying to find the link to these boots for a while now, and I'm not certain if the seller is no longer on Amazon, but trust me, the moment I find these, I will link it, or something similar. I will absolutely link it for you because they are so good. I just love how they look on my legs. I love how they look in this outfit. I love how they make me feel. The heel height is definitely forgivable. If you know how to walk in heels, you can most definitely wear these. It's definitely higher than a kitten heel. So if you're looking for a kitten heel option, these are not them at all. These are for the girls that want to strut and pop a look and give an outfit. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. But as the weather starts to get a little cooler, we're gonna have to add some layers. So I feel like with this all black outfit, I want to add my trench and our favorite trench. If you've been on this side of the internet, you've been well acquainted with this trench. I thrifted it several years ago from my wife's closet because she was not wearing it. But this was also something that she thrifted years before meeting me. I guess she was waiting for me to come along and wear it for her. But you guys, look at this outfit. I absolutely love it. Like, stunning. I love this formula, and if you have a really versatile wardrobe, you can create this too. This is just a turtleneck, a satin skirt, a trench coat, and some boots. This is very doable, very easy to achieve, very attainable, and none of these items, none of these singular items were over $50. So this is definitely an outfit that can be purchased or put together on any budget. And lastly, I wanted to give you guys something a little bit more sexy, because I find that with dressing modestly, you tend not to want to tap into that sexy side of femininity. but I feel like this way it's a really good balance between sexy and modest. Yes, the chesticles and the girls are out, but because everywhere else is covered, I find that I'm okay with that, especially if I'm going out with my wife or a few girlfriends. This satin skirt coming in clutch is just the perfect length for this outfit. It goes all the way down to my ankles, so literally everywhere, every other part of my body is covered. This is also a thrifted blazer that I've had for years and years and years, and it always makes its way to my fall rotation. Absolutely obsessed with this. I find that I was able to easily do this video for you guys to pick things from my closet to create these formulas for you because of the checklist that I have. I created a fall checklist, a wardrobe checklist with all the basics, essentials, and pieces that you will need to make your life a little bit easier when getting dressed for your day or evening. It's a free download that is in my bio and also in the description below, so click the link to get your free download today. And that is it for this video. I really do hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you do not miss whenever I post another video. And as always, until next time, love you, bye.
Falling for you, I can't keep away.